When it comes to getting rid of a substantial amount of waste, Dependable Dumpster Services is your go-to choice. Licensed, insured, and with a commitment to delivering prompt, professional service at unbeatable prices, we've got everything you need to make your cleanup a breeze. Our dumpsters range from clean and well-kept 10 to 40 yards. Perfect for any project, our roll-off dumpsters are safe for driveways, and with swing-open doors, loading is a breeze. Plus, we offer same-day delivery if you call before 5 p.m., because we know that sometimes you just can't wait. At Dependable Dumpster Services, we believe in giving you choices. Whether you prefer a self-service option where you fill it yourself, or our full-service option where we take care of everything, the decision is yours. And here's a little extra: veteran and first responder discounts to honor those who've served our community. Wondering what you can throw into our dumpsters? The answer is pretty much anything you need to clear out. From household items like clothing, toys, and mattresses to construction debris, commercial equipment, and even hot tubs. We've got you covered. Check out the list on our website for a detailed breakdown. While we're here to take what the other guys won't, there are a few items that require prior approval and might incur additional costs. Things like herbicides, propane tanks, electronics, and biohazards. We want to make sure we handle these responsibly, so just give us a heads up. Dependable Dumpster Service, your fast, affordable solution for dumpster rentals in Lancaster, SC. If you're ready to get started, give us a call, and let's make your cleanup a breeze.